I really want to set these projects in a broader context. What we really want to do is have the students experience a modernized and innovative campus. And these two proposals are part of a much larger proposal that tries to do that. We are one of 3 public research institutions students expect to be able to do undergraduate research. These proposals will allow us to meet that expectation better than we are right now. One of them is to do with a new lab. We have Biology 210 and 11, which some of you may have done before. Staffing is fine with those, but what we can't do is enroll everybody in them because both need a lab and we only have 2 labs and we want a 3rd lab. So the idea is to get Hubbard 304 and 307 and convert that into 3 labs and bring them state of the art. One of the things that we hear a lot from the students is they can't get that class because they can't get that lab because they don't want to do it at night time, and our students work and they have family commitments. So it's a big one, has a big impact. It's not just biology students, it's pre-med students, biomedical engineering students in a different college from mine, and the pre-professional students also require these courses. It's got a big gen ed component too. Second project. For many years we've wanted to redesign and renovate our psychology clinic. Psychology is one of the strongest departments in the university, has a lot of students, and the clinic itself is crucial to shadowing and undergraduate research, but it's way out of date. It also has a very important interface to the community. So we think that very impactful would be a renovation of the clinic. It will also help keep psychology accredited.